And what's up, guys? So today we are making a new Roblox video, and this video is Legends of Speed. So, also, I hope you're okay with 15-minute videos, because this is all I'm going to be doing. 15-minute videos. So, I know it's insane that I'm a hot rod. I am a hot rod. I've been playing this, but you won't be able to see no videos of me going from a hot rod because I'm just starting my YouTube channel. This is only my second video. We have another Roblox video that has other stuff. I have a couple of my friends. I know a couple of my friends from school YouTube channels. I might tell a link about their YouTube channels, cause like John McDowell has like Fortnite videos, and my friend Savages, I don't know his YouTube channel, but he has a Minecraft channel. So yeah. Yay, second place! I swear nobody went through me, but yay, at least we even got second. I could have got third or no place. So, a hot rod. So, I'm doing good on this game. I like it, and I'm doing good. So, I'm going to have some videos of this, some videos not. Chest. I need that one chest that they always put in the game at the end of the day. Or at the, chest, come to me. Okay, so that was only an itch on the nose. It wasn't me digging in my nose. It was only an itch. I only had an itch. So so yeah, I am having fun making YouTube channels for you guys, and I really enjoy making you entertained, and you guys, and all of you who does do YouTube. Guys, these videos are good. I don't make scary videos. I don't make inappropriate videos. I might make a couple. I might play some Fortnite soon. But for now, it's only appropriate stuff. I have no inappropriate stuff right now. Yes, second place, and I am trash at grassland. I'm total trash. I found chest. Claimed it. Wait, let me get on the building already. It won't let me get on the building, everybody. Finally, give me my money. Now let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm surprised I'm even a darn hot rod, because I just started like a month ago, and or actually like 3 or 4, but I only played for like 1 month, so I don't even know how I'm a hot rod already. My cousin, he's a beast. He's literally, and my cousin is Brayshawn's gaming squad, so yeah, hopefully you watch him. And yeah, so no, don't freeze on me. Magma. Hey, let me get on it. It didn't let me. What is happening? swear. Well, that's one single race. Who knows what else I can beat. It's not like I can't beat 70,000 racers. But I did only beat 28. So I'm not the best, but I'm okay. See if I have some trails. But what just happened? Something's up with my computer. Something's wrong. Something's really, really wrong. Okay, so we're gonna have to get out of Roblox, get back in. It's like it keeps on just. Sorry. And it's still not charging. So I don't know if we could play, so. I'm gonna pause video. We are back with Legends of Speed. Okay, so. See golden chest. $5 hours. Everybody, start at the racing line. 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! What? I swear, I never ever saw that boy, that person, that brown person who's in second. I saw a ghost. When was there a brown person? Tell me in the comments if you like my channel, because I'm really curious. I hope I at least get 2 subscribers. But I want you guys to like my channel, subscribe, that would be the best you could do. And then I can move on my life, because I'm still a child. John and Savaji and Rayshawn are all childs. They're my friends from school, and my cousins, and my friends from my camp who I call Blackie. I'm also going to be making some Pokemon unboxing videos. Real Breaking They inspired me for that. But so I am going to be making a YouTube channel. And I hope you just like it. I'm trying my best. I'm trying so hard to run. It will help you to like and subscribe in the comments so I could run faster. Oh yeah. Desert's easy. I'm telling you. Lightning? That's unfair. How did he get 40 races done? No, there is already 2 lightnings. Yes. Oh, I swear I should never. Finally, go for orange. What did just happen? Oh, what just happened? Okay, so that is my screen now. I'm so small. Going through the world of Roblox. And absolutely so small. What? I'm so small. Okay, I'm gonna have to get out of Roblox. Well, just get out of the game. Or just, yeah, leave game. Legends of Speed Desert. Oh, Legends of Speed Desert. Okay, here we go. Wait! What? What happened to my guy? I'm a lightning. I was just a hot rod. I just moved up a rank. I just moved up a rank. What, Mom? Huh? Okay. So we're gonna have to go. I hope you liked this video. And please subscribe and hit that like button. Now, see you next time. That is our ring to hot rod to lightning. So, see you next time. Bye.